Okay, so today we're gonna build a sandcastle. All right, we're gonna make a seashell kind of thing today. Start like this. All right, so I started out really confident with this, but I'm not sure now. They're looking like little turds, but I have a vision in mind. It's a seashell. Let's go, baby, let's go. Okay, so today we're gonna build a sandcastle or something of the like, some kind of sand art, okay? It's my first time doing it. I haven't done it since I was a child, but we'll see what the end result is, okay? All right. All right, so I haven't got my building materials in from Amazon yet. Stay tuned for that. I'll probably be able to make some really cool stuff once I get that. But I do have some plastic cups, so we're gonna fill these with water, and that's gonna help me build my stuff. I haven't decided what I'm gonna make yet though, but we'll see. Whew, here's a big one. The water is cold. All right, here we go. All right, we got it, let's go. Okay, I figure I'll build it right here. I think this is good. Okay. I'm not sure exactly how big it's gonna be, but I should probably start small since it's my very first one. I don't know what it's gonna look like, how it's gonna come out. If it's small, I could kind of make it better, I feel like. If it's bigger, you'll notice my mistakes a lot more. All right, we're gonna make a seashell kind of thing today. So start like this. I make it a little bit bigger. Okay. I don't have enough sand out here. This wet sand. I guess it does kind of make good for like molding. I prefer to work with a drier sand to start with. But these high tides, they're doing their own thing. Okay, it's looking good so far. Looks like a big old turd. All right, so I started out really confident with this, but I'm not sure now. They're looking like little turds, but I have a vision in mind. Okay. We don't want it puffing out too much. Okay. Now, I'm gonna go like this. It's kind of hard in this middle part. Okay. Kind of pinch it in here. I can't remember the last time I created a sandcastle. I must have been like 7 or something. You guys go in between. It can't look like it. Oh, oh. I'd say that's good enough. I'd say that's pretty good, but we need to get some rocks to kind of bedazzle it some. All right, let's go get some rocks on the beach. Let's go scavenger hunting, right? Scavenge. Is that the right word? Scavenge for...
It is, yeah.
We're gonna go scavenge for some... Oh gosh, it's in the water. We didn't even need the water yet.
We didn't even need it, yeah.
So we need some medium rocks and some smaller rocks. It's a good one. What's that yellow stuff? Oof, it's probably pee. Yellow stuff. I should know better. I should know that. I should put some of these in my pocket, maybe. I can carry some more. Good idea. All right, let's see how this works. This might be enough. I feel like I forgot to zip my pants or something. Is that why they're staring? All right, here we go. Okay. Oh, I forgot. I almost forgot about these big ones.
How many did you put in there?
A lot. Don't ask me how much I got. It's a lot. I'm definitely gonna need some more. Yeah, I need bigger ones. Oh, don't fall, don't fall. Okay. All right, we need some more. This one fit in my pocket. It's a pretty one. All right, let's go. Some more in here. It doesn't look pretty right now, but have faith. Have faith. There we go. rocks. Need a couple more, a couple more. All right, now I'm just gonna like smooth it out. This probably could have been a little bit bigger. Love the sound of the ocean. This is like meditation, you know, come out here, build a castle. Get off the gram for a little bit. Get some ions. I'm really trying to get all my beach stuff in before it becomes a rainy season here. And technically it is the rainy season, but we haven't been unfortunate enough, I'll say, to get rain, so I'm able to enjoy the beach a little longer. Even though in like April showers, right? So it's gonna be quite a few weeks where I'm not gonna be able to come and enjoy it. Enjoy it while you can. All right, I'm pretty much done here. Pretty much. It's a seashell. It looks like one of those, what do you call it? Like $half things, kind of.
Oh, sand dollar.
Yeah, it looks like a sand dollar or one of those conch shells. Yeah. I'm proud of it. Okay, so I saved for my first little sandcastle sand art creation. It's not that bad. It's like a little conch shell. I think I can do better though. If this is the very first one that I've done, I think I'm gonna be building like skyscrapers, y'all. Skyscrapers. I really like this. All right, well, I'm probably gonna do some more videos like this because I enjoyed it so much. So stay tuned.